Hello, I'm Gwamegi. Today, we will learn about noise prevention and efficient operation of the field application tip. I think the important part of the operation is circulation piping. I remember that there were more places where the production company didn't install this part.
Nope.
The liquid ring vacuum pump system sucks gas through a pipe and exhausts it into a water tank with water, and in order to prevent cavitation, install the vacuum breaker in the suction pipe. It's a normal 50 torr setting. I think I've experienced noise at the vacuum pump or water coming out of the vacuum breaker at least once. I think the noise is the sound of cavitation due to the failure to meet the pump usage conditions, and vacuum breaker thinks that water flows back into the residual vacuum when the water sealing is stopped. Let's watch the video to see what it sounds like. Part of the image that controls is the circulation pipe. To distinguish the noise, the process of closing and opening the valve was reflected, and we could see that the sound increased as the vacuum level of vacuum increased. When the valve is locked, it is the sound of cavitation due to the over-vacuum being held, and to prevent this, the valve in the circulation pipe has been opened to a minimum. The circulation pipe can be connected to the suction pipe, the water tank, or the exhaust pipe by a 10 to 20 pie pipe. You can see three effects with one small pipe. First, when entering the cavitation range, the minimum flow rate is remixed regardless of the condition of the vacuum breaker, so stable operation is possible. The second vacuum breaker can set a setting of about 20 torr and operate the vacuum and exhaust as efficiently as the seasonal water temperature difference. Just to give you an additional explanation, if the temperature of the use is 35 in summer, the vacuum is 50 torr and 50% efficiency in exhaust. For example, an 800 cubic meter per hour pump operates about 400 cubic meter per hour at 50 torr. It is a theoretical value and vacuum will be better in the actual field. If water at a temperature of 20 is used in winter, the vacuum is 78% efficient at 30 torr. If valve control is used well, you can use it at maximum efficiency. For more information, please refer to Vacuum Pump Theory Explanation Vacuum Pump Selection Part 3. Third, when stopping the water sealing type, the circulation pipe decompresses the vacuum of the suction pipe, making it possible to solve the backflow of water to the vacuum breaker. Of course, it takes an initial vacuum, and it can be a time delay because the gas is coming in, but it doesn't matter too much. I will explain this part in a future video while looking at the performance curve. This video is about my experiences working hard to solve problems in the field. There may be some parts of the content that are contrary to the expert view, but please refer to it and apply it. Thank you.